today I'm going to show you how to put together our versatile banner display. First thing we're going to do is get all the parts out of the box, hardware and everything, get those set aside, and I'll show you how this goes together. So you've got two different rails here. You've got a smaller one and a larger one. So you're going to take the smaller one, you're going to slide it right inside the larger base rail. Now there are two banner supports. There's one with a hole here in the center, it's got a small hole, and then another one that's got a collar on it. This one will actually slide up the bottom of the base, and it's got a little hole here where you can put this thumb wheel screw. So this is real easy, you just do it by hand. You don't want to tighten it all the way, just get it started. And then you're going to put the thumb wheel screw on the same side as the hole receptacle here on the bottom of the base hole. So I'm going to slide that up, and I'll just tighten that a little bit here. Make sure your top pole doesn't slide out. So with the top pole, you're going to take your top rail here, and then there's a black hex bolt. You obviously want to make sure that they're lined up parallel, the top and the bottom banner support pieces. And this one you can just tighten by hand. So now I've got those two pieces tightened. You can put the thumb wheel screw here in the top piece, and this will hold the top and bottom rails together. Now I'll go ahead and tighten that so these two pieces don't slide apart. Then what you're going to need to do is put the base on. The base is pretty solid, pretty heavy, but you can just hold it up like this. Then you're going to take your long silver hex bolt and just line the base up here. And this will screw right in. Now there is an Allen wrench or hex wrench provided. Okay, so once I've got that tight, the display is ready to put the graphic in. So I'm going to place this on the floor here. Now your graphic will come with the pull pockets at the top and bottom. And it'll also come with the dowel rods provided. These may need to be cut down to size to fit the width of your banner. That's really easy, just use an X-Acto knife and slowly turn these, cutting it a little bit at a time. These are pretty easy to cut through. So I'm going to put the dowel rod here in the top. I can just slide this right on to the front of the display. I'm going to go ahead and let that go down to the bottom, and I'll just undo this thumb screw, raise it up to about the height I need it, leaving a little slack, and then tighten that. And I'll put this dowel rod here in the bottom hole pocket. And then I'll just slide this onto the bottom. You may need to loosen the bottom one and bring it up to give you enough slack to slide that on. Then once it's in, I can lower it down. Now this is adjustable, so if I want the top higher or the banner further off the ground, I can just loosen that one and the whole thing can go up. That's about as high as you can go right there. So I'll go ahead and tighten this top one, and then I'll just pull this down here a little bit and tighten the bottom one as well. And there you go, you're all set. Again, this is lightweight, easy to move around, great for interior signage. Visit Gill-line.com for all of our banner and display options. Thank you.